everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Apurva. Just in case you guys are new here, and if you are, please subscribe. So in this video I'm going to tell you about how I make my own body scrub, which really smells so good, do their job, exfoliate your skin, your body, and remove all the dead skin cells around your body. Third, they really make your skin very supple, very soft, and like really smooth. So they do their job very well. Plus you have made it, so it's kind of therapeutic thing to do with yourself to spend a good me time. So without any further delay, let's start. First, we make hot chocolate body scrub. For this we need 4 spoons of brown sugar. You can use white sugar also. I use brown sugar in my daily life, so I'm using this. Then 2 spoons of ground coffee and 1 spoon of hot chocolate mix. So now we're gonna mix. So sugar is high in glycolic acid, which help in acne and hyperpigmentation, and coffee on the other hand is high in active antioxidant, which help to fight free radicals. Next up, I'm going to use 1 spoon of vanilla extract with jojoba oil 1 spoon and almond oil 2 spoon to make a good moisture in my scrub. You can also use coconut oil and totally skip these oil and make a good scrub, and that's it. Next up we have strawberry and rose body scrub. This smells so good. Start off with making a strawberry puree. For this I'm going to use 6 strawberry, but you can use 3 to 4 because I like my scrub a little watery. And then I'm going to use brown sugar 4 spoons. Now I'm going to use rose essential oil 10 drops. With some oil, I'm using jojoba oil and almond oil. You can use coconut oil or olive oil depending upon your preference or what you have in your kitchen, and then mix. So this is very gentle on your body because both strawberry, rose petal and sugar is very gentle exfoliation for your body, and apart from that this also brighten your skin and hydrate. Both have antioxidant property and gives a very aromatic experience. So I really like this scrub. Now keep it in a jar and store up to 1 to 2 months and keep it in your fridge, and that's it. Next up we have oat scrub, and this is really good for sensitive skin if you have. For this we need oats, and we're gonna grind and make it in a powder form. Then I'm gonna add orange zest for aromatic smell. Then I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract and honey 1 spoon for moisture, and oil of your choice. I'm using again almond oil and jojoba oil with some orange essential oil for the fragrance. I like to use body wash too in this scrub, so I'm using Pear's body wash. You can use any body wash what you have and then mix. I'm using Pear's because it's really gentle, and since I'm making this scrub only for sensitive to normal skin, then Pear's is really gentle, so I'm mixing this. Then put it in a jar, and you can use up to 1 month and store in a fridge because I like to store in fridge. I don't know, you can use anywhere in cool environment, and you can use up to 1 month, and that's it.